India's semiconductor industry is experiencing explosive growth in late 2025, fueled by the India Semiconductor Mission and massive investments exceeding 76,000 crore rupees. Key projects from Tata Electronics, Micron Technology, and others are ramping up, with facilities in Gujarat, Assam, and beyond set to create over 1 million jobs by 2026, including approximately 500,000 in fabrication, ATMP, and supply chain roles. As of December 2025, platforms like Naukri.com list over 70,000 semiconductor-related openings, LinkedIn shows over 3,000, and Glassdoor reports 1,400 to 1,500. Major hubs include Bengaluru, a design and R&D leader, Hyderabad, Gujarat with Sanand for Micron's ATMP, Assam for Tata's OSAT, Chennai, and Noida. Salaries vary by experience, location, with higher pay in Bengaluru and Hyderabad, and company, as MNCs like Qualcomm and Intel pay premium. Data is aggregated from Glassdoor, AmbitionBox, PayScale, and industry reports for 2025 figures. First, the VLSI design engineer role involves designing integrated circuits using Verilog or System Verilog, focusing on ASIC and SoC architecture. Average salaries in India range from 7 to 15 LPA, with freshers earning 4 to 7 LPA, mid-level professionals 10 to 18 LPA, and seniors 20 to 35 plus LPA. Qualifications typically include a BTech or MTech in ECE or EEE, proficiency in EDA tools like Cadence or Synopsys, and experience in RTL design. Freshers often enter via internships or training programs. Next, the physical design engineer handles layout, timing closure, floor planning, and physical verification of chips. Average salaries in India are 8 to 18 LPA, with freshers at 4 to 8 LPA, mid-level at 12 to 20 LPA, and seniors at 25 to 35 plus LPA. Qualifications include a BTech or MTech in ECE, expertise in tools like ICC or Synopsys, and knowledge of place and route and STA. The design verification engineer tests and validates chip designs using UVM or System Verilog, with an average salary in India of 8 to 16 LPA. Qualifications require strong skills in verification methodologies, scripting with Perl or Python, and an ECE background. Process or fabrication engineers manage wafer production and cleanroom operations in fabs and ATMP facilities. Salaries range from 6 to 14 LPA, with freshers at 4 to 7 LPA and experienced professionals at 12 to 25 LPA. Qualifications include a BTech in chemical, electrical, or materials engineering, cleanroom experience, and knowledge of FinFET processes. Assembly and test, or ATMP OSAT, technicians and engineers handle packaging, testing, and quality assurance in facilities like Micron's Gujarat plant. Salaries are 5 to 12 LPA, with technicians at 3 to 8 LPA and engineers at 8 to 18 LPA. Qualifications include a diploma or BTech in electronics or mechanical engineering and hands-on experience with testing equipment. Finally, equipment or maintenance engineers install and maintain fab equipment, which is critical for new plants. Average salaries are 7 to 15 LPA. Qualifications include a BTech in mechanical or electrical engineering and automation knowledge. Major companies hiring aggressively include Tata Electronics, leading with fabs in Dholera, Gujarat, and OSAT in Assam, expecting over 50,000 jobs in Gujarat alone. Micron Technology's ATMP facility in Sanand, Gujarat is operationalizing, targeting 5,000 direct and 15,000 indirect jobs. Global foundries, Qualcomm, Intel, Nvidia, and Broadcom have strong design centers in Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Other key players include Applied Materials, Samsung, Infineon, and CG Power. Recent highlights include India's first indigenous advanced chips and pilot lines launched in 2025. Government incentives under ISM are driving skill development, with programs for freshers via internships. While India's sector offers stability, rapid growth, and proximity to home, global opportunities, especially in the USA, provide significantly higher compensation, often 4 to 10 times more. They also offer exposure to cutting-edge technology like advanced nodes and AI chips, and faster career progression. The US faces a talent shortage projected at 67,000 to 146,000 gaps by 2030, making Indian engineers highly sought after via H-1B visas. Companies like Intel, Nvidia, and Qualcomm actively sponsor these visas. Other global hubs include Taiwan, which is fab-heavy at TSMC, Singapore for a balanced lifestyle, and Europe, offering a strong work-life balance at companies like Infineon and NXP. Let's compare salaries. For a VLSI design engineer, India offers $8,000 to $18,000, with freshers at $5,000 to $8,000. In the USA, freshers can earn $90,000 to $120,000, mid-level $130,000 to $180,000, and seniors $180,000 to $250,000 plus. Taiwan or Singapore offer $50,000 to $90,000, and Europe, for example, Germany or Netherlands, offers $65,000 to $110,000. For a physical design engineer, India offers $10,000 to $22,000, with freshers at $5,000 to $10,000. The USA ranges from $120,000 to $160,000, with top earners at $180,000 to $220,000. Taiwan or Singapore offers $60,000 to $100,000, and Europe offers $75,000 to $120,000. Design verification engineers in India earn $10,000 to $19,000, while in the USA, they can earn $120,000 to $180,000. Taiwan or Singapore offer $55,000 to $95,000, and Europe offers $70,000 to $110,000. Process or fabrication engineers in India earn $7,000 to $17,000, and in the USA, $100,000 to $150,000. Taiwan or Singapore offer $50,000 to $85,000, and Europe offers $65,000 to $100,000. ATMP or OSAT engineers in India earn $6,000 to $14,000, and in the USA, $90,000 to $140,000. Taiwan or Singapore offer $45,000 to $80,000, and Europe offers $70,000 to $100,000. The pros of working abroad include superior financial rewards, with total compensation often reaching $200,000 to $400,000 plus at top firms, advanced projects, and global networking, plus potential residency paths. However, cons include visa challenges such as the US H-1B lottery and green card backlogs, high living costs, especially in Silicon Valley, and cultural or family adjustments. For qualifications and tips for abroad, the same core skills as India are needed, but an MS or PhD is preferred for top roles. Build your portfolio with LeetCode and publications, and target companies like Nvidia, TSMC, and ASML. To apply in India, use Naukri.com, searching for semiconductor, LinkedIn with Semiconductor India, and company career pages for Tata Electronics and Micron. For abroad, use LinkedIn with global filters and company sites, and leverage alumni networks. For freshers, consider VLSI certifications, ISM training, or an MS abroad for easier entry. India promises long-term domestic growth and self-reliance contribution, while abroad offers premium rewards for experienced talent. With global demand surging for AI, 5G, and EV, skilled Indian chip engineers have excellent prospects both at home and worldwide. Choose based on your priorities.